Now I'm going to explain you a simple thing, which is an abstraction level of computer system, which is at the top. We all know there is a software which is running on every OS that we are actually most used with that, which is application of software, and below which we can say it is high-level language, which we all learn from C, Python, C++. All these programming language are all high-level language, and below which there are virtual machine, below which there is assembly language, and we also know that these programming language will not run as usual in case of any directly it is not connected to the OS, or which is we all need an assembly language which is more useful in sense of converting this high-level language to machine language. And we below which we all know that something very essential which is there in this called a hardware, without which we can't program a machine, and this hardware is known to be the machine. And below which fundamentally these hardwares are built with the sense of chips and logic gates. And below which if we have to study even further, then the case would be these properties have chips and logic gates, which is the transistor, and that is we have to study physics in order to understand the whole nature of this logic gates and transistor further upon.